Well, with all the all the bits and pieces, obviously, contracts are, they're very, very complicated. But with the games that they will play, and with different bits and bobs that's added on, it'll go above £20 million. So it's a very, very big fee. But that never ever detracted the fact that the owners wanted to keep him. I sat down and I said how he was, one of the lads that came through alongside Junior Hoylett and Martin Olsen and Grant Hanley, all the crop that's coming through. And they said, listen, make him the biggest offer you want to make him, which was the way it panned out, the biggest in the club's history. But, as it was, he wants to play in the Champions League now, and we're not quite there yet. The contract, and I'm sure Phil and his representatives will verify this, that the offer that we made to him was staggering for a 19-year-old, but that's what we thought of him. But it got right down to it. It wasn't about the money. He loves Blackburn Rovers. He's a Blackburn Rovers fan. Maybe in the future he'll come back, later on in his career. He goes now with a blessing, and it's now the opportunity now for us to go and invest in some other young players, some other players, across the different parts of the pitch, and take the club forward with the blessing of the owners and the investment they're going to make.
More sport, news, views and video on Sky Mobile TV, Sky Player and at skysports.com.